performing in front of such a crazy crowd for our first time in Spain. Now, this got shit you out of your head to. This got brand new instrumentals. I heard you put your city on, and now it comes so influential. Success for everybody hating. Success for me is inspiration, right? It's how we supposed to know that what we dream is possible, but no nobody else like us face it.